Moisture Manager gives growers water-focused decision support tools for both irrigated and dry farmland with real-time soil moisture monitoring, so you can make informed decisions on irrigated or non-irrigated ground through insights below the surface. To view Moisture Manager on FarmCommand, from the dashboard, click on the Moisture Manager icon here. On this page, you will see a list of your fields. Ensure you have the correct season and grower selected. We'll look at the field at the top of the list. Here, you will see data for 7-day irrigation, 7-day rain, 7-day evapotranspiration, when it was last updated, percentage of field capacity, and soil moisture status. The larger bar graph shows the overall percentage of your soil moisture status. The smaller graph here shows soil moisture at varying depths: 4 inches, 8 inches, 16 inches, 24 inches, 32 inches, and 40 inches. You can see on this particular field, we are at full to refill at 40 inches, and we are at below refill at depths of 4, 8, 16, 24, and 32 inches. For a more detailed graph, click anywhere here, and in the slide-out menu on the right, you will see data for historical soil probe information for both soil moisture and soil temperature going back 1 month. To enlarge the graph, click on this arrow icon here. The soil moisture graph will show you the varying field capacity percentages for the last 30 days at each depth. The soil temperature graph will show you the varying soil temperatures for the last 30 days at each depth. On the right side of the page, you will see yield target, dry, normal, and wet. The yield target is the estimated yield you, as the grower, will have entered into Asset Manager at the start of the season. Dry is the predicted yield if rainfall until the end of the season is less than the long-term average. Normal is the predicted yield based on the field receiving average rainfall until the end of the season. Wet is the predicted yield if the rainfall until the end of the season is greater than the long-term average. As you go through the season, the prediction window becomes narrower due to there being fewer unknowns and leads to a more precise reading. Visit our support page for more FarmCommand instructional videos and other valuable tools.